Hi, my name is April Vollmer, and I'm going to show you the portfolio that I made called Birds on the Edge. It's 13 etchings on photopolymer plates with a colophon by Purgatory Pie Press in handset type. This is the first page, the colophon, with woodcut. Snowy egrets jumping. They're jumping in the surf, looking for crabs to eat. This is whimbrels. Whimbrels fleeing away from the tide coming in. And here's a red-tailed hawk staring. They have incredibly good eyesight. This guy was watching me so closely, really funny. Here's a snowy egret stepping into the water. All the action happens right at the edge. Here's the sanderlings running away from the water, picking out little bugs out of the sand. And a long-billed curlew dodging a wave with a that's a floor plan of an Indian stupa laid over the photo. Here's a snowy egret stirring up the water, looking for bugs underneath the mud there. Here's a spotted sandpiper stirring up the water. That's an astrolabe pattern behind him. Here's a green heron fishing. Brown pelican balancing right on the edge. And I wanted to quick show you the plate. This is one plate. You can see it's sort of green iridescent photo plate. And then I have two more, I think. This one's in negative, marbled godwits and whimbrels foraging at the edge of the water. And the final one is this great egret hunting. He's really concentrating on getting little crickets and lizards and bugs out of the weeds right at the ocean edge. Thank you.